Did you know that you can just drag in your Excel file into your PowerPoint presentation? So take a look, I create this simple Excel file. Now I'm going to be sure it's all saved and updated. Now I can close it and just head to the place in my files and folders where I save it. So here it is, I just drag it in. And luckily for me, everything was trimmed into my data set, so I don't have any empty rows and columns. I just got this table straight from the Excel file. And if you want to make some changes after you already put it inside your PowerPoint, you can just double click on it and it will reopen in Excel. But take a look, it's not the very same file I saved before. So that one is still on my drive. If I make changes here, I will be making changes directly in that table that is inside PowerPoint. But that original file that I first drag in here, that will remain unchanged. All right, so keep that in mind. So if I make changes, I delete this whole row number 6 and I save it, close it. Now it's empty here, but it's still in the original file that I used at first to drag it in here. Alright, so that's how you can quickly drag in the spreadsheets from your Excel into your PowerPoint slides. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.